In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put all of your pieces together to make your final Chinese lantern. So once you're done cutting and decorating your flat piece of paper, and if you'd like to add fringe, you can take some paper and cut it into strips. We're going to start by attaching the fringe first. If you don't want to do fringe on the bottom, you would skip this step. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little tape and we're going to just tape this onto, not the complete bottom, but I'm going to leave about an inch from the bottom to the edge of our plastic cup. And we're going to actually overlap these a little bit to make it extra fringy. And the reason why we're doing this first is because this part is going to be sort of tucked underneath the lantern. And now I'm going to be taping this last piece. Okay, now you could do this in one color, you could do it in many colors. I'm choosing it to do it in all different shades of pinks and reds, but you could do a solid color as well. You could do rainbow, whatever you like. Okay, so now that I have that attached, now I'm ready to put the rest of the lantern on. So one thing you want to make sure also is that you have your name and your class code written in Sharpie on the inside of the cup so that it's still visible or able to see once it's all put together. Now I'm going to grab a piece of tape. I'm going to take my lantern and I'm going to line it right up on the edge. So with the plastic cups, there's like a little lip where you can actually kind of tuck the paper under. You're going to let the tape overlap the side of some of that and then take the rest and tuck it under. And that's going to hold it up and also attach it to the side. And then I'm going to wrap around about halfway. I'm going to take a little bit more tape. This. Now that's attached. And then I'm going to bring it all the way around the rest of the way, like that. And I'm going to attach it across and tuck it under, okay? Now the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part here and I'm going to just tape along the edge here, all right? And now I have my finished lantern. You could then go ahead and do a hole punch here and here, and that will allow you to put a string through it, and your lantern is ready to glow.